All this strong wind is causing thousands of power outages across the area as we've been hearing, and bringing down some trees as well. Our Courtney Courtwright joins us live in South Buffalo, where some neighbors are working to clean up the damage already. Courtney, hi.
Yeah, Lauren, we keep saying it. The wind out here, no joke, really powerful. And I mean, I don't even have to tell you, you can see it right behind me, really causing problems in some areas. We're in South Buffalo right now on Kingston Place. You can just see how powerful the wind has been with those roots just ripped out of the ground, even that sidewalk coming off. And you could see the tree right on this family's home, who wouldn't go on camera with us, but they tell us they are all right. We spoke with them off camera. They say a couple of people were inside this home when it all happened. They were working from home when they heard a loud bang, and then they realized a tree had fallen on their house, and we even see the branches even on their neighbor's house as well. Here's what they had to say.
By the blood of the Lord, we are covered, but no one's hurt, thank God. And I feel like it could be a lot worse, and there's going to be more trees down. They're just going to get heavier with the snow that's coming.
With this wind, the tree was rocking all morning. I seen it, but I'm like, it ain't going to go over, and then it went over. It was a loud noise, bang. As soon as it fell, I'm happy no one got hurt, but it's just sad to hit their house, especially around Christmas time.
And that wind is causing problems not only here in South Buffalo, but pretty much all over Western New York. Just a couple of streets down from here, over by the Tops and the Seneca Pharmacy, right off of Seneca Street, there is a house that had a tree fall down, nearly missed the house, missed a car, and we spoke to the person who lives there about what he saw when that all happened, and he said the wind is to blame, like most of us have been talking about. Live and on your side in South Buffalo, Courtney Courtwright, Channel 2 News.
Courtney, thank you, and glad everyone is okay at